Today we are smoking. I'm gonna try to bring the vacuum to where it's supposed to be. It's a little low, I noticed on the last run, so I decided to hook up my smoke machine and find all those little problem areas. As you can probably see right now, there's smoke coming from everywhere, but nothing really significant, nothing abnormal, I would say. Okay, first main point is the pump. That's normal. Pump is cold, so the air inlet is wide open at the moment. Now, next little piece. I'm actually surprised. I don't know how well you can see. There's a very minor. See that there's a little damage on the intake. There's a new plug there, but there's a very minor leak in there. Like, I don't know if camera can pick it up, but it's very minor. So I'm gonna seal this guy up today later on. Next point. That's not really. That's all coming from the line here. See, my glove is about to give up now. It only lasts for so long, but anyway, that's none of my concerns. This area, of course, is normal. That's idle air mixture, so it's the smoke supposed to come from there. What else can I see? Minor thing that I have not addressed yet. I think I'm gonna put, since I'm not using the tach, I will put a cap on it here on the RPM output. I will just put a cap on it just to seal it from the air, from the externals, and we'll retest again, I guess, because everything else looks to be good. So although this is I think this is a significant loss of vacuum here through that unhooked line. So I will cap it for now and retest it. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, the my smoke machine is homemade. I made it like a couple years ago, and it works like a charm. You know, with the Home Depot stuff, I glued this back together, a few plumbing fixtures and some baby oil, so my garage smells really nice now. Anyway, I'll be back with the results. Bye for now.